John Gorell. I'm president of the Marsh Bellofram Group of Companies. Over the course of 100 years, Marsh Bellofram has been an industry-leading global designer and manufacturer of high-performance OEM, industrial and process control instrumentation, including industrial diaphragms and specialty silicones. Our wide portfolio of engineered products and solutions are organized and sold under fully dedicated divisions, which include oil and gas, protection, instruments, elastomers, and medical.
Some of the largest vertical markets that we sell into are aerospace and military and defense. We make some products that could go on landing gear of airplanes to insulation blankets that come in contact with jet fuel to flame-resistant materials that might coat fuel cells on electric vehicles. The Office of Business Retention has been really great to work with. They shovel resources into West Virginia businesses to help them remain successful. We've personally benefited from that by Six Sigma training for our engineering groups, locating potential suppliers, help with our website, as well as helping us outreach to potential future customers. Marsh Bellofram is located right at the top of the northern panhandle of West Virginia. We border the Ohio River. There's several advantages. We pull our workforce from Pennsylvania, Ohio, as well as West Virginia, and this offers a strategic base blending a very rich industrial heritage with forward-looking approach to manufacturing and technology. This combination makes Marsh Bellofram not only a leader in its field, but also a proud representative of West Virginia's manufacturing prowess.
Today, we proudly employ slightly over 300 associates that encompass well over 3,000 years of experience. We consider it a privilege to be headquartered in West Virginia and are grateful to have such a valuable partner, such as the West Virginia Department of Economic Development, in our backyard.